Hey there guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own hydroponic seed starting tub. So what you're going to need in order to complete this process are a metal T-valve, a net cup, small air stones, airline tubing, stone wool, and whatever your choices are of cuttings or seeds or whatever your choice is. The next thing you're going to need is most likely something to cut this out, like a jigsaw or a knife or whatever you want to use to cut this out. But you're going to need something to cut that out. So once you have those cut out, great, your holes have been cut. Awesome. So now that your holes are cut, you're going to want your diffusers. You can choose to put them on the outside, like we did, or you can choose to put them on, or one in the middle. We did an experiment with a paper towel over the top, and it didn't seem to get all four corners when you only put one diffuser in the middle. But if you put two diffusers on the outside connected with your air pump, then it seemed to cover the whole tub. Okay, so after you get your diffuser or diffusers down, then you're going to want to take your air line and you want to connect those all together. If you're doing it like we did it, then you're going to want to take your tubing, connect it to your diffuser, then to your valve, then from this diffuser to the valve, then you're going to want to take your air pump and connect it here. And they will bubble. And then your plants are ready. So after that, you want to go ahead and fill up your tub. This bucket has a perfect line on there. So go ahead and fill up your bucket with nutrients. After you get your bucket filled up with nutrients, and you get your top on, and you sit your net cups down in there, and then you want to get your cuttings, or sorry, your stone wool and your cuttings. Go ahead and drop one right down in there. And after you do all that, you should have a little something that looks a little like this. Something that looks just a little like that. So, yeah. There's your pump. Here's your bucket. Or your tub, sorry. Your tub. Your stone wool. And your net cups. Sorry, I didn't mention that in the last part, but we drilled a hole here for the air line to go through, just so it would make it easier, since the tub would shut properly. So that's what it should look like. Alright. Stay cool, guys.